wake up, skip breakfast, and by lunchtime, you're already feeling sharp, lighter, and more focused than ever. You've just tapped into your body's natural fat-burning mode without counting calories, cutting carbs, or going on another boring diet. That's the power of intermittent fasting. But here's the thing. Fasting isn't just skipping meals. Done wrong, it can leave you tired, cranky, and even harm your health. Done right, it can reset your metabolism, boost energy, and protect your body against disease. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to try intermittent fasting safely, step by step. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start without feeling starved or overwhelmed. Part 1. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't a diet in the traditional sense. It's a pattern of eating. Instead of focusing on what you eat, it's about when you eat. The idea is to cycle between periods of eating and fasting. For example, the 16 to 8 method, fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. The 5 to 2 method, eat normally for 5 days, but on 2 days, cut down to around 500 to 600 calories. The eat, stop, eat, a full 24-hour fast once or twice a week. The goal? Give your body time to burn through stored energy, improve insulin sensitivity, and support cellular repair. Part 2. The benefits backed by science studies show intermittent fasting may improve blood sugar control, support weight management, reduce inflammation, boost brain function, even support longevity by triggering a process called autophagy, where cells clean out damaged components. But remember, results vary. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why safety is key. Part 3. How to start safely. Step 1. Choose your method wisely. If you're brand new, start with the 12-12 method. 12 hours of eating, 12 hours of fasting. For example, eat from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., then nothing until the next morning. Once your body adjusts, you can extend to 14 over 10 or 16 over 8. Step 2. Hydration is critical during fasting hours. You can't eat food, but you can drink water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. Staying hydrated helps control hunger and prevents fatigue. Step 3. Don't binge during eating windows. This is a big mistake many people make. Fasting isn't a free pass to load up on pizza and donuts. Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, vegetables, and whole grains. Step 4. Listen to your body. Headaches, dizziness, or extreme fatigue are signals to ease back. Adjust your fasting window or try a gentler method until your body adapts. Step 5. Pair fasting with smart lifestyle choices. Better sleep, stress management, and light exercise like walking or yoga make fasting smoother. Part 4. Who should be careful? Intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, under 18, managing diabetes or low blood pressure, on certain medications, then consult your doctor before trying fasting. Also, if you have a history of eating disorders, fasting can be risky. Safety first, always. Part 5. Pro tips for success. Start slow, increase gradually. Break your fast with something gentle like fruit, soup, or eggs instead of heavy junk food. Use distractions like a walk or reading when hunger hits. Track progress, energy levels, sleep, mood, not just the scale. Common mistakes to avoid. One of the most important parts of trying intermittent fasting safely is knowing what not to do. Many beginners make mistakes that not only make fasting harder, but also stop them from seeing results. For example, some people break their fast with processed foods loaded with sugar, which spikes blood sugar and cancels out the benefits of fasting. Instead, ease back into eating with something light and nourishing. Another common mistake is overdoing caffeine. Yes, black coffee can help suppress appetite, but too much can lead to jitters, dehydration, and poor sleep, all of which interfere with fasting. Stick to 1 or 2 cups and always balance with water. Skipping out on sleep is another trap. If you're fasting but still sleeping only 4 to 5 hours, your body will produce more stress hormones, making you hungrier and more tired. Fasting works best when paired with 7 to 8 hours of good rest. Finally, don't expect results overnight. Intermittent fasting isn't a magic switch. It takes time for your body to adapt. Be patient, give yourself at least 2 to 3 weeks, and track how you feel. Safe fasting is about consistency, not speed. So there you have it, a beginner's roadmap to intermittent fasting the safe way. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, it's not about starving yourself. It's about giving your body balance. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone curious about fasting, and subscribe for more practical health tips. Your health is your wealth, and intermittent fasting done right can be one of the best investments you'll ever make.